What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook using the mobile app. To get started, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right to access the main menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. In the Settings menu, select See More in the Account Center. This is where Facebook manages connected apps like Instagram and profile details across platforms. Once you're in the Account Center, tap on Profiles. You will see your Facebook profile listed here. Tap on it. Now tap Name and you will see your current name displayed. And below you can edit your first, middle and last name fields. Enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear. Then review your changes carefully. Once you are happy with the changes, save them. Keep in mind, after you confirm the update, you won't be able to change your name again for 60 days. So make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted the way you want. Also, your new name must follow Facebook's naming guidelines. No unusual capitalization, symbols or punctuations should be in your new name. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.